Hey everyone, Dr. Crehe here. In this video, I'm going to go over descriptive statistics in R. So open up R, type library R commander to get R commander loaded, and we've got that up right here ready to go. We need to import a dataset, load a dataset into R commander. So we'll go to data, import data from SPSS. I'm going to leave all these defaults. I'm going to navigate and find this data set. This is just a random data set that I use on occasion. It doesn't really have any meaning to it. Now that it's loaded, you can see your syntax up here. Output is here. Down on the bottom, we've got some messages. One message tells us we've got 100 rows, 100 participants, 4 columns or variables. You can also see that by clicking on View Dataset, and you'll get that same information. 1, 2, 3, 4 variables. Scroll down, you've got 100 people. Okay, so now we want to get some descriptive statistics. We want to see what the mean is, the median, the mode, those kinds of things. So to do that, we'll go to Statistics, Summaries, and then Numerical Summaries. Pick which variables you want. I'm just going to choose IV1. Under Data, go to the Statistics tab. You can click Mean, Standard Deviation. You can get Skew. You can get Kurtosis. You can get a couple of other things, but these are going to be the most important. Click OK, and you'll get all of this information in your output box. So here we've got the mean is 4.75 times e to the negative 17. So remember, with scientific notation, you're going to have to change that to regular decimals. There are a couple of ways to do that. First of all, if you know that you're going negative 17 places to the left, this number is in fact 0. We could also boot up Excel, and I'll show you how to change that in case you're worried about your math skills there. If you want Excel to change this for you, you can paste that number, just right click, copy, and then paste. You can see this was our mean, negative 4.75 times e to the negative 17th. Once you've pasted that into Excel, click on it, right click, and go to Format Cells. A box will come up shortly. All right, there we go. And right now it's under Scientific. You can change it to a general. You can change it to number. Number is the best, so click on number. APA style is to round to 2 decimal places, so make sure you've got that selected. Hit OK, and you can see, in fact, that our number is 0.00. So that very small number, our mean, is in fact 0. You can see our standard deviation is 1. We've got interquartile range that we're not worried about right now. We've got skew, kurtosis. Remember, you want these numbers to be in between -2 and +2. In general, that'll tell you you've got a normal distribution. We've got -0.05, -0.11, so this variable is in fact normally distributed. You've got some percentiles here, and then you've got your overall n. We're missing a couple of things. We're missing our median, and we're missing our mode, so I'll show you how to do those two. Okay, so if we want to get the median, a really simple way to do this, go to Statistics, Summaries, and then Active Data Set. Click on this. It's going to give you a bunch of information for all your variables. In fact, I would go this route whenever you want descriptive statistics. When you want skew kurtosis, you'll use the other method, but right here you've got for V1, DV, IV1, IV2, you can see right here the median, the mean, median, mean are given for all of these. So that's how you get your mean, your median. I showed you standard deviation, skew, kurtosis. Mode is a little bit more difficult to get in R Commander. There's some syntax that you can use, but the way that I would go about it is just to get a graph. So remember, mode is going to show you the most frequent scores in your data set. What I would do to get the mode in R Commander, which you won't be asked to do very frequently at all, but I would actually just get a histogram to look at that and see it visually. So if you go to Graphs, Histogram, you can choose whichever variable you want. I'll just choose IV1 for now. And here you can see pretty clearly 0 is the most frequent score in this data set. So we've only got one mode. You could see 2 sticking up if you had a bimodal distribution. So that's how I would do the mode. So statistics, summaries, numerical summaries, and then choose your variable. That'll give you your mean, standard deviation, skew, kurtosis if you check it. If you go to statistics, summaries, and then active data set, it'll also give you the median. And then to get the mode, you can take a look at these histograms. Okay, that's it for now.